when we were young, when something wants to happen, like maybe a war or something that you know that you cannot win, and you wanted to do it, or someone beside you wants to do that thing, we always had a song that our forefather or our mother used to sing. The song goes those. Dagunro say je, Dagunro say je, je te 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 te. Well, je Dagunro, Dagunro say je. We hear this song growing up without us realizing that these two things, Dagunro and Tete, are different type of things that we know. We now know the English of it, but we don't know what they mean in Yoruba. We actually think this Dagunro and Tete are the type of vegetable that our forefather used to eat. The powerful forefather, the powerful one, the one that's full with charm, the full with voodoo, you know. So we think that that is what we think. Like it is type Dagunro is a type of vegetable in Yoruba land that only the powerful people eat. But Tete, it's everyone that eats it. Whereas this is not the right way to pronounce these two, Dagunro and Tete. Dagunro is the one for the vegetable, and tete is the one for the vegetable. But when they say Dagunro, that is rice. That means rice in Yoruba. Can you believe that? Dagunro, no, rice in English. It is rice in English. But Dagunro, no, ní Yoruba. It is called Dagunro in Yoruba. When they said tete, we think it is a for tete, but whereas it is not. It is eba or Garri. That is what the old people called Garri. They call it tete. Yes. So there is difference between tete and a for tete. When they say tete, it's type of vegetable that we eat. So, but when we say dagunro, that simply means rice. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Like, why I know this? I watched one click on Air Yoruba. You know, the teacher that teaches Yoruba like Oba Luka. You know, I watched that clip. I was like, wow. Then I make my, I make my research. I went to my grandpa. I was like, I asked him the question. He said, yes. When his grandfather, when he was young, his grandfather used to tell him that these are this, these are that. You know, you people that you young mind that just go to school learning things, they change things for you. Like grandpa also told me that before they used to call abere. We believe that abere is Yoruba, yes. But when akoto comes, akoto is the Yoruba. That means the newly ways of speaking and writing Yoruba. When akoto comes, that was when they changed some words. That abere is actually okene. A lot of people know this because we are still using okene, yes. But dagunro, I was surprised. I didn't. I think we borrowed that word iresi because it is rice in English. So we call it iresi. Actually, it is dagunro in Yoruba. So thank you very much. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love you. Subscribe, follow, like, and comment. God bless you. God bless me too. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sún Yorùbá síwájú because èdè wa ni, àṣà wa ni, kò dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ parẹ́. Ire o.